Lakhaing Koratro, Duarbaguri constituency ke parlo Dolamara Cultural Complex along Dolamara KSA head branch atum pen pater piponsi high school living certificate lapen higher secondary asat lang along ki unduna tumaphan karcho ajay me kapaman pon Lason si wo signify hinier ni Lakhaing Koratro Duarbaguri MAC constituency ke parlo Dolamara Cultural Complex along Dolamara KSA head branch amaipu Midarson Tokbi lapenari sangho atum pen chapater piponsi HSLC lapen HS ki undun atumaphan karcho jamek lapen education awareness program jamek kapaman pon bangso jamek along aluhia manapeng pen kachitong dun laki resource person Raton Terang Dolamara town board chairman Mongol Singh Terang Duarbaguri VDC member John Kathar Gulaghat KSA organizing secretary Sarkuru Tiso Delhi KSA pen Vidya Ingti Sarbinong Teron Assam Gaurav Awardi lapen Bokajan KSA members Sarbinong Tokbi atum chetong dun pen ke chenglok ke theke ding atum chetong dun si HSLC lapen HS ki undun ke charlio somara tumaphan karcho lapen isi cherok tok amai mati awareness etami mission pen pichun pon
awareness program asipini program pange mission me pichun pon lo student dum sitame na chetong dun apai do hoy lasi lason thakak mane student hon office tame lason ako bang same karcho lombo mi bisi neli ko ning khela lasi student dum same best wish lapen future class 12 pass that ma class 10 pass that pen ko pisi ke chari nangi mala so alam ke teni ne kame than kan lo lapen ka prek nang chitong dun alu his sitame than lo student dum future ko pisi ke claim nangi ma person se claim nangi ma hailam than kan se neli dum so program pini mission pen bachoni bon manili tanning arong lo la solam alam ka different felicitation program mo la smartment chi ki than nangi gedar abong mo mar dum pan de thini lamte mane tesiar long lobote ningarong pen ke laso joine sinili mane wang lo da pen ke ningarong tikan lo bong mar tum pen chi ki than long pen career guidance sai ni ke ni than long ko lage ni arong tikan lo ni
so pen de na chali sama fan de sibe nangkin pen ki het kan isi ke pachini ji la kusan doma oke ha nang li mane isi ke than pon ji la kusan nang ni nge
ke than ke la meta ne nili ninge don follow the trending long follow dum ji mane non itum ke bang pursue degree nitum just degree pursue at ke non makai ke siksak do non makai ke in bolote skill hai mithang han to develop and ke align hai professional align hai course hai cha di lote mission ko ha nitum degree pursue ja mission un bolote la APSC UPSC exam hai to dina ko dan kapre hin itum charli me ko fit ustame un bolote non makai jo ke la professional hai course hai and bote isi mithang anta sakso ale long
itu ini ya program mang ini tong sekot si binang nak lo apor ke chitiro lo wai phis tame ibi webji ining ke hang dinong lapen gelang ke cherap nang cheto dun ne mostly I'm really thanks for education EM Richard Tokbi he is mostly helping hand for me and thankful for Sir Municipal Board Chairman Mongol Singh Terang and near me John Kathar that are presenting with us and mostly I'm very thankful. This is my lab actually Dinong Teron sir is coming over here and the student strength and I'm really thankful for him that given a guide and given a strong speech for the student actually. So alam thebang la pulo je laso along nang chitong non along akhai advocate judicial court along Bogajan judicial court along Ratan Terang lang la hem dak amat lo lang listami hongni lo kebang hongwang lo lang thedut lo baduta chini tapi nom second time mang kebang alang listami kebang tograpik lo mene sitami la anang pali don student unity student aja tong badonang ba mission nang methangar lokta without education without student is nothing in our society. That is most important.
Dolamara Penarji Son Rongphar Karbing Long Life.